we will learn change as a percentage. There are 25 cars in a car park. 9 of the cars are red. What percentage of the cars are red? So we're looking for the percentage of car which are red. So in other words, okay, we have this fraction. So 9 out of 9. Okay, let's use the blue one. 9 out of 25 cars in all. Okay, so 9 out of 25 cars are red. So that means to say we have to multiply this by 100%. Okay, now, so we can see that 25 and 100 can be divided by 25. So 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. So we have 36%. So the percentage of cars which are red, okay, is 36%. Now, let's proceed to the next one. Okay. The next one, we have the ratio of children to adults in a park is 7 to 5. What percentage of the people in the park are children? So we're looking for the percentage of people in the park. Okay, children. We're looking for the percentage of the children. So therefore, we have 7 out of 12 times 100. So in this case, we can use a calculator for this one. So 7 divided by 12 times 100 gives us 58.3. This percent. This is in 1 decimal place, or 1 dp. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one. What do I have? Oh, it's a practice. Now, it says work out these percentages. Round your answer to 1 decimal place where necessary. So if you can see, we have number 1, okay, in number 2 and number 2 and number 3, you are allowed to use a calculator. So you may pause, okay, this video and start answering now. Now, let's find out the answer. Check your work. Okay, for number 1, what is 11 as a percentage of 50? So that means 11 out of 50 times 100%. So 50 and 100 can both be divided by 50. So 50 divided by 50 is 1. And 100 divided by 50 is 2. So therefore, we have 22%. Okay, we can do it without a calculator. Now, for number 2, it says Lynn has $5.35 in her purse. She spent 93 cents. What percentage of her money has she spent? So what we need to do first is we have to find out 93. The fraction is 93 out of 93 cents. So $5.35 should be also written as a cents. So that is 535 cents times 100%. So using a calculator, 93 has to be divided by 535 times 100. It gives us 17.4%. This one is in 1 dp, or decimal place. Okay, let's proceed to number 3. Last year, there were 195 people living in a new housing estate. This year, there are 346 people living on the same estate. What is 346 people as a percentage of 195 people? So in this case, we will have 346 out of 195 over 195 times 100%. So in your calculator, 346 divided by 145 times 100, it gives us 177.4%. This one again is in one decimal place. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one. Oh, okay, we have increase as a percentage. Okay, now look at the problem. We have Tim has had a pay increase from $9.45 to $9.86 per hour. So originally, okay, he received $9.45 for in 1 hour or per hour, and this time it increased, okay, to $9.86, okay, per hour. So the question, okay, write the increase as a percentage. Okay, so in this case, we have to find the increase as a percentage. So first, we have to find the actual. We have to find the actual increase in, okay, hourly pay. So which is, we have to subtract $9.86 minus $9.45. So, okay, if we subtract it, we get 41 cents. 41 cents. Okay, now then what we need to do is to find the, okay, increase as a percentage. So increase as a percentage. Okay, so that means to say 41 cents over, we have, okay, originally it is $9.45. So that means that actual increase in hourly is 41 cents. You have to divide it by originally the amount, okay, that he, okay, gets, okay, hourly is $9.45, okay, times 100%. Okay, so in your calculator, okay, 0.41 divided by 9.45 times 100, and it gives us 4.3%. This is again is in one decimal place. Okay, so we have increase as a percentage. Let's find out the next one. Okay, the next one is decrease as a percentage. So the number of workers at a factory is reduced from 825 to 767. Calculate the percentage reduction. So first, we have to find out the actual reduction. Which is 825 minus 767. Okay, which is equal to 58. Okay, then we have to find out the percentage reduction. okay, which is 58, get the fraction, 58 out of, originally, okay, it is 825, so divided by 825, so that's the fraction, times 100%, okay, which is equal to, in your calculator, 58 divided by 825 times 100, it gives us 7.0, because one decimal place, percent in one decimal place. Okay, I put 7.0 because it says 1 dp, one decimal place. Now, let's proceed to the next one. Okay, practice again. 2 problems. Okay, solve these problems. Okay, this time you have to pause, okay, the video and start answering. Okay, now this time let's find out. Okay, check your own work, or check your work to find out if you got it correctly. Okay, so the first one we have, okay, in one area, the size of the sparrow population has fallen from 18,200 to just 7,600 over the last 20 years. Calculate the percentage reduction correct to one decimal place. Okay. So what we need to do is, first we have to subtract 18,200 minus 7,600. Okay, so in your calculator, okay, 18,200 minus 7,600, it gives us 10,600. Okay, then what we need to do, get the fraction. So 10,600 divided by, okay, originally, okay, there were 18,200 sparrows. Okay, times 100%. Okay, so if you do it in your calculator, it gives us 58.2%. Okay, this one again is in one decimal place. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. A house valued at 155,000 in 2018 was this year valued at 189,000. Calculate the percentage increase in its value correct to one decimal place. Okay, so once again, we have to subtract 18,000, okay, 189,000 minus 155,000 is equal to, the difference is 34,000. Okay, then get the the fraction. So that is 34,000 divided by, okay, originally it is 155,000. $155,000. Okay, times 100%, it gives us, okay, 54.2%. Again, this is one decimal place. Okay, now, so in other words, okay, what we do here is percentage. So in general, percentage change is given by, percentage change is equal to actual change divided by original change or original amount times 1,000.